Hello everyone. One of my students asked me, sir, what is the use of custom GPT and what is the benefit to us? So I told him that just like a chat GPT having a larger database and it give answer from that database, just like you can create your own GPT with by attaching your own database. Just like if you want to create a custom GPT of income tax, right, that give answer only from that database. So anytime you can access from that module or data, any question, any section, any case law, just like. So I show you how you can make your own custom GPT. I'm sharing my screen to you. Here is the screen. So I am at chatgpt.com. Once you click on the more and find a option called GPTs. Once I click on the GPTs, on the right hand side you will find a create options. Once I click on a create option, I can create my own custom GPT. It asks me some questions. I have to filter that. Just what is the name, description, instruction, conversation starter, knowledge, upload files. So I took the help of Chat GPT that help guide me what are the things required to be put in these fields. So Chat GPT gives me the name recommended. It recommend me a name. I can copy from here. Just copy and paste the name just like this. Description, same ChatGPT gives me because I told ChatGPT that I want to make an income tax custom GPT. It gives me the details. Next, instruction. Again, the instruction given by the ChatGPT, which I place here. The conversation starter, same, which is given by it gives me some examples as I took the one for you to show you how. Next, the knowledge, the most important, as I told, what is the benefit? It always think from this database. So I upload an income tax act 2025, which I saved on my desktop. This is the file which I uploaded here. So once it is created, it gives answer from this database only. Now it asks what model you want to recommend. I said GPT 5.5. Unable to upload. I will recheck why it is not uploaded. Just wait. Now the capabilities, what you want: web search, canvas, image, code interpretation, and data analytics. So I have ticked all the things. Now, once the file has been uploaded, there is an error in the uh, uploading. Again, I am trying. Don't worry, there may be sometimes it shows the error. Maybe this time it will upload it. Just wait. Due to some technical issues, sometimes this happen. So don't worry about. As you seen on my screen on the right hand side, it's mentioned all the details what I given in the left hand side, that the name, what is the instructions, and all the things, descriptions, and the question or conversation starter. As you seen, the file has been uploaded. Now once I click on the create button, this GPT has been created. Just it asks me what's the visibility you want. It's you require for yourself or for someone जिसे आप link, or you want to with someone to whom you want to share a link. So I made for myself only. Once I click on the save, this GPT is created. And again, once I reach to chat GPT and comes to more, click on more. Next to GPTs, you will find another option, my GPT over there. This GPT will be exist. I will show you where it is exist. Now how you will reach and use this GPT once it is saved. So it is saved already. Now comes to chat GPT. Click on the more GPTs. Here the you can see on my right hand side of the screen, there's a my GPT option is there. Once I click on to my GPT, you will find the GPT which you have been created. This GPT presently I have created right now. And so by this way, you can create your own custom GPT and you can access the database instead of carrying book from office to home or home to office or a client place. You can access the content of income tax at 2025 anywhere else, from phone or desktop, from uh, any mode of communication. So now I want to tell you one another important use case. Generally, what we are doing in a CA firm, we follow from the clients for regular monthly GSTR 3B, GSTR 1 details, that each month we follow via mail, via phone, and we mail each client separately. By using Google ecosystem, this task can be automated on a single click. Mails to all the client has been sent. No need to you have to send separate mail to each client. How this possible? With the use of Google spreadsheet. I show you how this is working. Google spreadsheet in Google ecosystem and a Google app script. So I made a details in a Google spreadsheet. What is the client name, client email address, the compliance type, and the due date. So what is the agenda of here? So what I do, I give to Gemini, because for Google App Script, I told you that, well, whenever you want any app script for Google ecosystem, I request you to, my dear friends, to use Gemini because it understood the Google ecosystem more better. I give the prompt that I want to send monthly reminder to all the peoples for this purpose, and I give the complete details in a prompt and what is the mail I want, the HTML mail I am requesting. That each mail is for personalized people, sent to each mail is sent to by client name. So by this way, I give this prompt to Gemini, or you can use the chat GPT as well based on your preference. I personally prefer to use Gemini. It give me the coding. This is the app script. I'll copy the same for you and paste it in the extension. I show you how this is working. So this is copy. As I mentioned all the details in Excel sheet, once I click it on extension, there is an app script comes up. On an app script, you can here paste the entire Google app script. Just a second, it is working. Yes, I have pasted the entire app script here. And once you click on the run button, once you click on a run button, it automatically send a mail to all the clients in a single click. Or you can make your single press button also. By this, you can also send this, or you can make the trigger, because it is you can make a trigger that by the end of next month on the 3rd of June, you can this trigger automatically run and sends mails to all the clients that your data is required for GSTR 3B. So once I clicking on send button, I show you how this is working and how the mail look like. As the script is running as mentioned at the top, the script is finished. Now we have to check our mail, how this shows. I goes to the sent option. In sent option, you will find that mail has been signed at 9:37. There's 9:37. How this mail look like? This mail is specific to client, and it gives the details, compliance, due date is this, the information required, and your signature. So by this way, you can automate your repetitive task and save so much of your energy, time, and utilize this for further productivity works. Thank you all.